Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see the solution for best time to buy and sell the stock. So the expectation is to find the maximum profit, and the condition is that we cannot sell stock at past rate. By this, what I mean is, suppose this is an array and the value of each day's stock, suppose it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is given. And suppose we are at Tuesday. If the price of the stock is 1, I cannot sell it at 7 because it is already in the past. It was the rate of the stock on Monday. So that is the condition. So let's see the solution for this. So for solving this question, we are going to follow greedy algorithm. So what we are going to do is, we are going to keep a track of maximum profit and the minimum rate. So suppose if I want to understand what is the maximum profit that I can get, suppose I want to get some max profit. So in order to get that, we also need to know what is the rate of the stock. Actually, the minimum rate of the stock, right? If I get the track to minimum rate of the stock and then I sell it at the maximum point, then only I'll be able to understand what is the maximum profit earned. So what we are going to do is, we're going to keep a track of max profit. At this point, it is going to be 0. And we are going to keep a track of minimum rate of the stock. At this point, we are at array of 0, that is 7. And now we are going to run a loop to iterate through this array and check what is going to be the minimum rate of the stock and maximum profit. For that, we are going to run this loop. Let I is equals to 0, I less than I dot len, and I plus plus. Inside of this, we are going to do two things. First thing is, we are going to check the array of I and minus the minimum. If the array of I minus the minimum is greater than the maximum profit, then we are going to update this maximum profit. What I mean is, if I check if array of I minus this min, that is the initial value of the array, is greater than max profit. So in this case, we are going to update our value of max profit. This max profit is going to be the value of this. This is one step. And the second step is that we are going to update the value of min also in some case. And that case is going to be if array of I is less than min, we are going to update the value of min. Okay. So in one part, we are checking if the value of maximum profit is less than array of I, that is current, whatever the value of I will be at whatever point of time, minus the min. If it is greater, if this difference is greater than the profit, max profit, then we need to update our max profit. And in case if the array of I at some point of time is less than minimum, then we are going to update this array of I. Let's see the maximum profit now. So we get 5, which is what we are expecting. So it is at this point that whenever the minimum value is 1, and if I go and sell it on this day, if I buy it on Tuesday and sell it on Friday, we are going to get this maximum profit as 5. So yes, this was the solution for this question. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.